Happy morning, children. Today we are going to learn about vitamins and minerals. What are vitamins and minerals and why they are important for our body? This is what we are going to see now. What are the different vitamins and how we have to and why we have to eat them. Okay, in the last video we saw about diseases. Okay, host, source, mode of transmission and agent. Let's recap. Who is the host? The person or the living being on which the disease attack. Disease யார் attack பண்ணதோ they are the host. Source, from where the disease comes, where the disease originates. This is the person or place from where the disease originates, the source. Mode of transmission, how it is moving from one body to another. It is a medium or way through which diseases reach the host body. Medium ன்றது என்னது? Yes. So the mosquito and all. The agent is the thing that carries. Okay. Agent is the thing that carries the disease in your body. This is what we learned. Now, what are diseases? How do you know you are not healthy? Then if you are not healthy, that means what? You are having some disease. If all the body parts are functioning properly, then you are healthy. If there is some problem, then you are not healthy. You are having a disease. So why this disease is coming? எதனால வருது disease எல்லாம்? Balanced diet you are not having. You are not having a balanced diet. What is balanced diet? What is vitamins and minerals? What is the importance? See, vitamins are chemical substances in the food. Okay, food la irukra chemical substances the vitamins. So how do you get the vitamins? Only if you eat proper food. Next, minerals. Minerals என்னது? Naturally occurring substances in food. Foodல இருக்கிற naturally occurring substances in the food. இந்த vitaminsம் mineralsம் ரெண்டுமே both together you should have in your food. Vitamins மட்டும் சாப்பிட்டா பத்தாது. Okay. So both are important. Vitamins are chemical substances in your food and minerals are naturally occurring substances. Foodல naturally இருக்கிற foodல இருக்கிற substance. So most vitamins cannot be made in your body. Bodyயாலேயே உற்பத்தி பண்ண முடியாது. So you have to have proper food. Then only the food will acquire the required vitamins. So for a healthy and a balanced diet, that is the best source to get the vitamins and minerals the body needs. There are different types. What are the different types? A, B, C, D. And then you have also different types of minerals, that is calcium, iodine, iron. These are all, many are there. Both together only will make you healthy. Okay, what is the use of that vitamins and minerals? They help you to get the basic elements. Foodல இருந்து கிடைக்கிற basic elements என்னது? Proteins, carbohydrates, fats. You need for the body. Okay, so proteins, carbohydrates, fats வேணும்னா you have to use the proper balanced diet you have to have. They help our body to use the energy from the food. Food சாப்பிட்டோம்னா we get energy from the food. For that, if you have to use that energy, you need the vitamins and minerals. They strengthen our immune system. You all know what is immune system, because nowadays we are learning about immune system more because of the coronavirus. If the immune system is okay, only then you will be able to get a proper healthy body to fight diseases. So what is mineral and vitamin deficiency? Deficiency na குறைபாடு கம்மியா இருக்கு. What is the deficiency? The vitamins and minerals are deficiency means the body is not getting enough of these nutrients. Foodல இருந்து என்ன கிடைக்குது? Nutrients. Due to this, different organs do not work properly, perform properly. This function causes various எல்லா body function பாடியில் இருக்கிற எல்லா organs they should work properly. Okay, so if you put a switch, the machine is working like that. There is no switch here. Inside our body, everything is working automatically, doing its own work. It's not getting tired. Okay, so for that, what you need, you have to give it proper food. Junk food, if you eat, it will not work properly. Balanced diet means all the vitamins and minerals should be there in proper amount. If you are not having that, then you call it as deficiency disease. And the deficiency diseases are anemia, night blindness, etc. These are all some of the diseases also we learned last week. Now, types of deficiency diseases. There are different types of deficiency diseases, communicable and non-communicable. In that non-communicable, அதாவது ஒருத்தர்கிட்டேருந்து ஒருத்தர் போகிறது communicable. அது இல்லாமே we will have diseases. Okay, so what are those diseases? There are many special type of non-communicable diseases are there. These diseases are caused by deficiency, not eating properly. What? Vitamins and minerals. So some examples we are going to see. Why you should eat vitamin A. Vitamin A we are going to learn. Okay, it makes the immune system. Immune system is a system in our body which helps us to fight against diseases. If that is strong, okay, then only everything will be okay. So it helps to make the immune system strong. Which one? Vitamin A. Keep our heart and eyes healthy. Next, deficiency disease. Deficiency disease is night blindness. Okay, there is a disease called night blindness which affects our eyesight, difficult for us to see properly in dim light. Next, how do you prevent these diseases? The disease வராம இருக்க என்ன பண்ணலாம்? All want to be healthy, no? Yes. So for that, what should do? You should prevent diseases. How you can prevent? You have to have a diet rich in dark green, கீரை. Yes, orange and yellow vegetables such as spinach, carrots, mango, milk and eggs. These are the vitamin A rich food. Okay, so tell your parents, discuss about this, what are the diseases, why we should eat, and then start eating. Hope you are all having all. Vitamin B, okay, it helps our immune system. How it is helping our body to make energy from food. It helps your body to make energy from food. It is also involved in making red blood cells. Blood la we have red blood cells, white blood cells, platelets. So these are all very, very important. Red blood cells are very less, then you call anemic. You have problems. So the red blood cells in the body is produced by vitamin B, and this red blood cells carry oxygen throughout your body. So what are the deficiency disease? If you don't eat berry, how do you know you have berry? The symptoms are loss of appetite, பசி எடுக்காது, weakness, pain in limbs, shortness of breath and swollen feet or legs. So you have many problems. From this you can find out that you have a disease. You are not eating properly, you cannot eat properly. Then weakness, there is small pain in the limbs, leg la pain. Then shortness of breath, proper breathing idilla. Swollen feet or legs, swollen weakam mari. Then how can you prevent this? You can prevent by having a diet rich in bananas, fish, meat and cereals. Okay, next we will see the next vitamin in the next video, children. Now you discuss with your parents about this what you learned today, and list out the importance of this, why we should have a balanced diet. Thank you.